Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Caliber Strain training app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Caliber app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Once you open up it, it will land up you to this kind of interface. So here, go to menu icon that is located on bottom right corner. Now scroll down and here tap on my account. So here tap on personal information, and now here you will be seeing your email address. Simply tap on it and delete your existing email address and type in another email address. Once you're done, simply tap on Save button. So when you go to your personal information, you will be seeing you have successfully changed your Gmail ID. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.